whatever we are supposed that is correct, or else we'll say whatever we are supposed that was wrong, because it contradicts what we are supposed, therefore it does not hold. That way is other way, okay? But we will stick to this way, okay? So first we, okay, we have to verify the following. Distributive law we have to discuss today, okay? Distributive law, okay? Distributive law will be studying. So here, see here, multiplication of rational number. So for example, it is given A into B plus C, okay? This is given. So first we are adding B and C and then multiplying with A. This way we are doing. So see here, how distributive law means we are going to distribute multiplication over addition. We are going to distribute multiplication over addition, or A into B minus C. Here we are going to distribute multiplication over subtraction. Understood this one? Here we are going to distribute multiplication over addition. And here we are going to distribute multiplication over subtraction. So in distributive law, we are going to distribute multiplication over addition or subtraction. This is distributive law. How we are going to do? A into B. We did one distribution over addition. Plus sign A into C. You can see we have distributed multiplication. This side we have distributed, this side we have distributed. Two sides we have distributed over what? Over addition. And here we are distributing multiplication over subtraction. Okay. Angel, you can switch off the camera so that video will be available in full screen. Okay. So A into B minus C. Here we are distributing multiplication over subtraction. We are distributing multiplication over subtraction. It means A into B. Then minus sign A into C. You can see we have distributed multiplication this side and this side over subtraction we have made distributed. Here we have distributed multiplication over addition and over addition. Okay. If I'm writing 2 into 3 plus 4. Okay. Now we have to distribute multiplication over addition. How we are going to distribute? 2 into 3, 2 into 4, and it will be plus sign. It will be plus sign. We have distributed multiplication over addition. So 2 into 3, 6, plus 2 into 4, 8. How much we are getting? 14. Here as well, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 into 2, 14. This is sorry. This is distributive property. What we are distributing? Multiplication over addition. Okay, so one line you can write in your book on page number N17. Page number N17. Distributive properties written. Above that, write one line. That will give you more idea. That you have to write multiplication of rational numbers is distributed over addition, or it can be subtraction. Understood this one? Multiplication in distributive property, multiplication of rational numbers is distributed over addition, subtraction. Multiplication of rational numbers is distributed over addition and subtraction. We are distributing it. We are distributed multiplication over addition. we have distributed multiplication over subtraction here. Understood this one? This is our distributive property. So you can write this line on page number N17 above distributive property. That is written in reddish red, something like that. Understood this one? This way you will remember always what you mean by distributing. That is, we are distributing what we are distributing, multiplication. Over what? Over addition we are distributing. So one part, second part, over addition. This is called as distributive property. Okay. Now we can verify the distributive property. Fifth question. First one. So distributive law you have understood. Okay, so 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 12 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, this is our left hand side. What is right hand side? We are distributing multiplication over addition plus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. Okay, before doing this, do you all remember BODMAS?
Yes, sir.
Okay, always
Yes,
remember
sir.
this one. That is, first always solve to bracket, then off, then division is to be solved, then multiplication, then addition. So for example, here on right hand side, first we'll be solving what? B is not there, no off, no division, multiplication. So we'll be solving first this one and this one, and then addition. Then we are going to add. Understood this one? So always remember BODMAS. Don't add these two first. Don't add these two first. 7 upon 12 plus 3 by 5. That will be a blunder. Okay. So first we'll be taking left hand side. This we have to verify. So take left hand side. Okay. First I will be doing. Second onwards you will be doing. Okay. So take left hand side. 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 12 plus 1 upon 2. So BODMAS, we have the bracket here. So we'll be solving bracket first. Left hand side we took 3 upon 5 into, now we have to take the LCM. What will be the LCM? 12.
24.
7 plus 2, 6. So how 24? We have to take least common multiple. 24 is not the least common multiple. You can take 24, you can solve, but it will be difficult. So least common multiple is 12. Sorry. So 6. 3 upon 5 into 7 plus 6.
13 upon 12.
13 upon 12. Okay, any common factor to cut? No. So
Yes,
3
sir.
into,
3 and 12.
yes,
Sir, common
3
multiple.
and 12 are
3
there.
and 12.
Okay, good. 1, 4. Okay, now 13 upon how much?
20.
13 upon
20.
20. So this is our first answer. We have solved left hand side. After this, we will start right hand side. Right hand side. What is right hand side? 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 12 plus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 2. Okay. Now, any common factor? We'll cancel them. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So how much we are getting? 7 upon 20 plus 3 upon 10. Okay, I'll be solving here now. 7 upon 20 plus 3 upon 10. What will be the LCM?
20.
20. So 7 plus 6 equal to 13 upon 20. This is our second answer. Now compare first and second answer. Now we'll be comparing first and second answer. Are they same? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Since answer 1, same way we'll be doing. No difference. LHS equal to RHS, or 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 12 plus 1 upon 2. This is equal to 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 12 plus 3 upon 5, 1 upon 2. Hence, verified. Hence, verified. Hence, verified. Everyone understood? So, we'll be solving first left hand side, we got answer first. Then we will be solving right hand side, we got answer second. Now we compare first and second answer. Now they are same since they are equal. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side, and this we can write, and hence verified. We are verified distributive property over addition. We are distributing multiplication over addition. Here distributed, here we are distributed. Okay. Now do the second one. Do the second one. Everyone start doing second one. And rest 3 will be homework. Everyone start doing second one. Keep doing in your notebook. Second one, do you need your notebook? Okay, there is one guest. Please do write your name or it will be trouble in attendance. Okay. Afterwards, text me on WhatsApp your name. When guest is written only. Okay. Second one, keep doing in your notebook.
I'm going to tell 5 names that you check the notebooks. Yesterday you didn't tell.
Ask again, Angel. I wasn't able to listen you.
Sir, you said you tell 5 students' name that will check the copy. Sir, yesterday you didn't tell the names.
Yes, yesterday I forgot. Today I'll be providing 5 more names. Okay. And your name will be there today as well. Okay. Today you have to submit. And 4 more I will tell. Okay. So today who was going to submit? The names are, okay, or else I'll again forget. Angel will be submitting. Aryan. Gargi. Abhinav already submitted. Harshit, Akshita, Bhavya, and Ankita. Ankita, teacher. Okay. Angel, Aryan, Gargi, Bhavya, Ankita. These have to submit today. Okay. Angel, Aryan, Gargi, Bhavya, Ankita. Submit after the classes are over. Okay. After your classes are over, all the classes are over, you can submit. Okay, we'll do the second one. So the question is minus 2 upon 3 into minus 5 upon 4 plus 4 upon 7. Okay. Minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 4 plus 4 upon 7. Here we have to take care of negative signs. Okay. Minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 4 plus minus 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 7. Okay. So always write negative numbers in standard form. That is minus with the numerator. Minus with the numerator. Always keep negative sign with the numerators. Okay. If it is given 3 upon minus 5, write it as minus 3 upon 5. If it is given minus 3 upon 5, you can write is minus 3 upon 5. Or it is given minus 3 upon minus 5, write it as 3 upon 5. Okay. Both are negative signs. So always keep it in the standard form. It will be easy to solve. So take left hand side minus 2. If you have solved, check your answer. 4 upon 7. Okay. Now solve the bracket first. What will be the LCM?
28.
28. Least common multiple we have to take. That is LCM. Okay. 4 sevens are. 5 sevens are.
5 plus 16.
Minus 35.
16.
And 7 fours are. It will be 16. Okay. Minus 2 upon 3 into how much will be getting? Minus 35 plus 16.
Minus 19.
Minus 19 upon 28. Or we can write minus 2 upon 3 into minus 19 upon 28. Common factor, we will cancel them. So minus 2, minus 1, here 14. So minus 19 upon minus minus, it will be plus. Minus 1 into minus 19, 19. And here how much it will be coming? 42. So this is our first answer. Okay. No space there. So I'm using here right hand side. Okay. Right hand side. Minus 2 upon 3 into minus 5 upon 4 plus minus 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 7. So any common factor we can cancel? 2, 2. So minus 1 into minus 5. Minus 1 into minus 5, 5. 3 2 ja 6. Okay. Plus, and no common factor, minus 2 into 4, minus 8.
Minus
3
8.
7, and here
21.
21. Okay. Now take the LCM. It will be coming out to be
42.
how much? 42. Please common multiple we took. 6 7. So
Minus 35.
minus 35 or plus 35?
Plus
Plus 35. Okay. 21 2 ja. So minus
16.
Minus 16.
how much we are getting?
Minus 16.
19 upon. Okay. This
19
is our
upon 42.
so always check, always take care of negative numbers. Negative, you have to take extra care. Always remember. Therefore, answer 1, since answer 1 equal to answer 2, LHS equal to RHS, and hence we can write this one and hence proved. Understood this one?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so rest 3, do as homework. We'll start with 6th one. We'll start with 6th one. Okay, using the distributive property, find the value of each of the following. That we will be solving. Okay. So rest 3, do as homework. Okay, we'll be using distributive property. So see here, question given is 3 upon 5 into minus 20 upon 9 plus 3 upon 5 into minus 1 upon 3. So read the question first, everyone. Using the distributive property, find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. So we have to use distributive property. Can we use distributive property? So first, check whether any common factor is there. Here, multiplication. Here, this is other multiplication. So distribution of multiplication over addition. Now we have common, that is 3 upon 5. Here as well 3 upon 5. So we can take it out. 3 upon 5 common. Okay, it is same as the question is like this. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5. Now if we are taking 2 common out from both, 2 out, multiplication 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Understood? Similarly, there we will do. So it will be minus 20 upon 9. Okay, 3 upon 5. From first group, multiplication we have taken 3 upon 5. Here, multiplication sign we can put, or simply that means multiplication. Plus minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Now, so now we will be solving the bracket first. 3 upon 5 into what will be the LCM? 9 minus 20. 3 is a 9. So it will be plus minus 3. We can write minus 3 plus minus 3. It is minus 3. 3 upon 5 into minus 23 divided by 9. Any common factor? We can cancel them. 3 1 ja 3 9. So it is minus 23 upon 15. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes I make mistake. Many mistakes I make. So pay attention in class. You must pay attention in class and figure out the mistakes. Okay. Okay, now do the second one. If you understood, anyone in class who haven't understood this one? If you understood, do the second one. Do the second one. After second, we will be doing fifth one. Okay, third and fourth will be homework. Do the second one. Seven upon 15 into minus 50 upon 49 plus 7 upon 15 into 1 upon 49. 7 upon 15 minus 50 upon 49. 7 upon 15 into 1 upon 49. Okay, so again, what we are going to take common out?
7 by 15.
7 by 15. So 7 by 15 multiplication, it is distribution of multiplication over addition. Minus 50 upon 49 plus 1 upon 49. Okay, 7 upon 15 into 49. Okay, minus 50 plus 1. It is very easy.
49 by
Minus 49 here by 49.
We will cut the minus 1.
We will cut them and we get minus 1. 7 upon 15 into minus 1.
Minus.
Okay. If you are writing minus 1,
Sir, minus 7 upon 15.
yes.
Sir, minus 7
Minus.
upon 15.
Minus 7 upon 15. Good. Okay. When you are writing single number into minus 1, always put minus 1 in bracket. So it will be easy to know that we are multiplying these. Okay. Minus 7 upon 15. It was easy. Okay. Try fifth one. Once try fifth one. Understood? So if you are not understanding anything, ask immediately. Okay? Don't wait for me to complete. Just ask immediately. Okay, do fifth one.
Yes, sir.
There is something extra as well in fifth one. So keep that as extra.
Sir, can you tell me answer?
Fifth one. Fifth one. Fifth one. Okay, I'll be telling, but just for a minute, try it once. -1/3 is extra. Keep it as extra. At last, we will solve. Okay. On rest, we can apply distributive property. Now think once how we are going to do. 2/3 into 9/10 plus 2/3 into -4/10 -1/3. So here we can see we can apply distributive. This is we can apply. So keep it as side on side. Okay. In extra you keep it. At last solve this one. On this we can apply distributive property. So it will be 2/3 we can take out 9/10 plus -4/10. Okay. And here -1/3. So we'll be solving first this one. Understood this one? So it's again very easy. 2/9 into 10, 9 minus 4.
Sir, 2/3.
2/3, yes. Yes, thank you. Okay, I was thinking this 9 and I wrote there. So this how mistakes happen in exam. Okay, always remember.
Yes.
These are called as silly mistakes. Silly mistakes. Okay, 9 minus 4,
Sir, 5/10.
5/10. And we can, okay, and as well you have to write -3 minus 1/3. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now 5 1 ja 2,
2.
1.
Sir, 1/0. Sir, 0.
We are getting 0. This much work we did, and at last we got 0. Understood now? Third and fourth, do as homework. Okay. Okay, we discuss fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks you can do in book. Okay, completed this one. Rest to do
Yes,
as
sir.
homework. Rest to do as homework.
Yes, sir.
Anyone in class who understood? See here, either you ask in class, you don't get anything. If you are not able to ask, you can text me on WhatsApp and I will explain next day. Okay. But I always expect students must ask in class. Okay. Don't be shy over that. Okay. So first one, what will be the answer? I'll be asking one student. Individually, I'll be asking. So first one, okay, first one, Ayush. What will be the answer? Fill in the blanks. First one, Ayush. Unmute yourself and answer. Answer it, Ayush.
Sir, may I tell?
1 minute. Aryan,
Sir, may
Abhinav, 1 minute. Aryan, answer this one. First one, answer. Okay, Shivang, you tell.
7/17.
-7/17. So which property it is? Abhinav, which property it is?
Sir, commutative property.
Commutative property over multiplication. Okay. Okay, second one. Second one, Harshit.
Sir, minus 7 upon 31.
Minus 7 upon 31. Which property it is?
Associative property.
Associative property. Okay, when guest has raised your hand, I don't know the name. Okay, who is this guest? Okay, I'm going to lower your hand and you have to answer, okay? Okay. Yes, someone's hand I have lowered. If you know, answer that one, okay? Okay, okay, next one. Akshita, you answer. Next one. Third one.
Minus 3 upon 5.
Minus 3 upon 5. Which property it is? Is it
Sir, it is associative property.
over multiplication? Okay. Next one. Shivang have answered or not? Shivang, you answer.
Sir, answered.
Answered. Okay, answer this one. Fourth one.
Sir, can I?
Okay, Devraj, you answer. Once you answer, Devraj, answer this one. Fourth one.
9 upon 49.
9 upon 49. Okay, which property is it?
Sir, distributive property.
Distributive property. Good. Okay, fifth one. Fifth one, Pratibha. Answer, Pratibha. Fifth one. Pratibha, answer fifth one. Okay, Abhimanyu, you answer fifth one.
Minus 3 by 2.
Minus 3 by 2. Which property is it?
Distributive property.
Distributive property. Good. Okay, next one. Bhavya. Bhavya, two Bhavyas are there. Okay, so Bhavya, you answer. This
Yes,
one,
sir.
Bhavya.
Sir,
Yes,
I don't
answer.
have the textbook, so please can you tell the question? I don't
Okay.
have the textbook.
It's Bhavya. Okay. So see, okay, leave it for time being. If you're not having the test book, just text me on WhatsApp. I'll send you the pics. Okay. Okay, Bhavya
Okay, sir.
Chaudhary, you answer sixth one. Bhavya Chaudhary, answer sixth one.
2 upon 3.
2 upon 3. Which property is it?
Distributive property.
Distributive property. Good one. Okay, Bhavya, you answer this one. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is reciprocal of 2 by 3.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Good. Okay, rest we'll do it afterwards. Time is over. So you can complete this exercise and we'll discuss these remaining tomorrow in class. Okay. And those students who are not having the book for time being, either you ask your friends to send the pics or you can text me on WhatsApp. I will click at the pics and send. Or there is one more way. Last year books are same as this year's. This year books are same as last year's book. So you can get it from students from 9th class. Those who have studied in 9th class, you can get the books from them. Okay. It's the same book. Okay. So either text me on WhatsApp or text your friends on WhatsApp and ask them to send the pics. You can, if you are not having any friend or you are not able to get, you can ask me. I'll send you on WhatsApp. Okay. Or you can get the books from your seniors. Okay. Okay, then thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you all.